final year pharmacy student, and honestly, when I started with my first year, I was very confused because, like a lot of other people, even I was thinking of going to the MBBS side. But unfortunately, things did not work out for me, and this was the decision I made. But when things started, it was like till junior college, we are inside a bubble, and everything is around us is safe and comfortable, and according to our own timings. Because my junior college and my school were really near, so it was very comfortable for me. And when degree college started, the traveling, the degree hours, the practical timings, and I had started doubting my decision, if whether I had taken the right decision, even though I was liking the course. But I was still a little skeptical if I had taken the right decision. So I was taking time to adjust to that course. So during the same year, during Diwali, I got a chance to go and stay with my cousin who stays in Amsterdam. So that was like the first time that I was going to travel all alone from Mumbai to Amsterdam. And even though I was staying there with a family member, it was still very new because I had to travel all alone, take a flight, and stay there so long for like 15 days, which is to such a far away place. So I was really excited, but I was also nervous, and I was thinking if I should go for it. Or but then I thought that this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. I don't know when would be the next time that I'd go and I'd get a chance to travel like that. So I was like, yeah, why not? Let's just go for the opportunity. So I was really excited. I got the passport. I already had my passport. We started with the visa application. It was a long process. I was really nervous. So like a day before my flight, I was very nervous if I should go. I was having butterflies in my stomach, but I was also very excited because that was something which I was going to experience for the first time in my life. So even my mom was a bit scared because I had to go and stay there for 15 days, and they would miss me and I would miss them too. And she was scared if I would be able to do the journey all alone because there's this immigration process going there. Your cell phone doesn't work there, so you have to get a local SIM and all of that. It was very confusing, but we were determined that it would happen very smoothly. So to drop me to the airport, my entire family came to drop me to the airport. They gave me all the instructions. They told me how to answer the immigration questions because I was pretty young. I was 17 years old at that time. But so I was very excited. Once I entered the airport, all the nervousness was gone, and I was really excited. So I took the I went inside the airport, did all the processes, the immigration and everything very smoothly. Got into the plane. It was a 9-hour journey, and it was an overnight journey. And there was a lady sitting next to me, and the air hostess actually thought she was my mother because I looked pretty young. So they did not know I was traveling alone. But it was a good experience. It was an overnight flight, so spent most of my time sleeping. And I reached there in the morning, got down, did all the procedures, and my cousin came there to pick me up. And from there, it was a journey which I would never ever forget in my entire life because I reached there. We took the metro, and he was not actually staying in Amsterdam. He was staying a little bit away in a small city called Apeldoorn. So we went there, and it was just so beautiful. We took a walk from the metro station to his house, and I just kept looking around here and there because it was so beautiful. And we are not really used to seeing all of this here in Mumbai because it's usually so crowded, and there it was just so quiet and peaceful. It was also very cold because it was around in November, so the winter had already started setting in. So I went there. He had a family there. He had a really cute son. So he was my nephew. He was a really cute nephew. So I was really excited to meet him back. And the next few days were the most amazing days of my life. Because he was working, we could not really travel around here and there. So I used to travel around. I used to take my nephew outside because it is very safe over there. And everything was really near. There was a cute shopping mall. There was a marketplace, and I used to go around. I used to take my nephew. I used to even go cycling around the city, and it was very different because no one over there understood English, so it was difficult to and I did not know anything about their language. So it was difficult. If we get lost, it was difficult to come back home. So I used to set up a Google map in my phone and carry that all around, so just in case if I got lost. But I used to roam around in the city even if I did not take my nephew. I used to just go around. I used to cycle around, or I used to try different delicacies from there. Um, it was fun. I shopped. I shopped for my family, and so that became like my daily routine. I used to just get up and go for a walk, come back, spend time with my nephew, and I love cooking. So I looked up for. I went shopping there. I got all the ingredients that I needed, and I made a lot of dishes for them. So even they were very happy. And I don't know, it just felt so peaceful. Like all the confusion that I was in here, everything was just so calm and peaceful, and I felt really good. I felt really more confident because I had come such a long way there, and I was staying there alone. I was also going out alone. And once we even went to Amsterdam on one of the weekends. They took me to Amsterdam, and it was always my dream city, and to be actually be able to go there, I was really happy, and it was exactly the way I imagined. It's such a beautiful place. There's a canal. You take a boat, and there are bridges and there are buildings on the other side. And in Amsterdam is actually pretty crowded, and it's a lot like Bombay crowd wise. There's a lot of things happening. Everyone is moving around. We stopped to a place. There was a fun fair happening. There were rides. There was music. There was a lot of buzz on the street. And that day, I was just looking around, and I just completely forgot about everything else, and I was just living in that moment. And we came back then. Again, I stayed there for a while. Used to roam around, used to do a lot of different things. And I was actually very skeptical if I would miss my family, but it was actually a very enjoyable experience. We used to go around at night, have ice cream, and everything was just. I even had a lot of time to think about if what was happening, if I had taken the right decision, and all the confusion. It actually helped me a lot to clear out my head. And then when I was gonna come back, even I was really sad to be leaving. Initially I was like, how am I gonna spend 15 days? But they just went away like that. And when I was coming back, I was actually very sad. I did not want to come back. But to be honest, I was a very much more confident self. The flight journey back was even more fun. I even made a lot of friends in the plane. The people sitting next to me, we chatted all along. We spoke about a lot of different things. It was actually a very different experience. If I hadn't gone alone, I would, I wouldn't have the confidence in myself. It actually taught me that you just have to take the decision and just go with it, and be confident and believe in yourself that you can do it, and everything will start making sense. You just have to give it some time, and you have to believe in yourself. And if you don't like a certain thing, then you have to change that thing. Like you have to adjust and adapt the surroundings according to you, and you have to find happiness in whatever you are doing. So when I came back, I think everything became a lot more clear. I was much more confident. I believed in myself. I started having fun. I was not sad, or I was not confused. I started having fun with whatever I was doing, and that really changed a lot of things about my pharmacy, my how I was staying at home, because I used to be a little confused and upset. But then after that, everything changed, and I think it's only because I decided to take that trip alone, because I feel there are certain experiences in our life which help us a lot. And I think for me that was one of that experiences which I would never forget. And if I get a chance to go around somewhere, go out, travel alone, I would definitely do that, because a lot of people say that traveling alone is a very life changing experience, and I've actually experienced that. So I still remember that trip, and it's one of the best things that have happened, and I'm doing very well.